Hi, Port for Port and Sava, NY Divorce Facts. Here with Macho, who is very aggressive seeking his seeds, Kosho, and Yuzu. Haven't made one of these in a bit. I had actually had to go to Cleveland to help move my daughter, who's a planetary scientist who just finished up working for NASA, down to San Antonio. My other three children, I'm blanking on their names, claim she's my favorite. And speaking of children, Zuki's not with us today. She laid another clutch of eggs. And for those people who don't know anything about green sheet conures, they will lay about 3 to 4 clutches a year. She just laid a clutch in December, so we were hoping to get a little reprieve, but she's laid another clutch now, so she's busy nesting. Macho is unfortunately kind of hormonal. You can see he's a little aggressive with me right now. And apropos of particularly nothing, we're going to talk about post-divorce maintenance and when it ends. Now, I've done other articles and videos on what post-divorce maintenance is. It's payments that are paid to a spouse after the end of the divorce. We don't use the term alimony in New York. We use the term maintenance. So the question that I get asked a lot is, if I get remarried, does maintenance stop? And the basic answer is yes. Remarriage will stop maintenance. Okay, stop it, brother. And they are very aggressive today. Yeah, why don't you just go for that? No? So, with post-divorce maintenance, when someone gets remarried, by law, that ends the maintenance. The question comes up is, well, what happens if I cohabitate or I live with my boyfriend or girlfriend? Will that stop maintenance? And the answer is maybe not. If there's nothing in your divorce agreement about cohabitation, then we fall back on the statute. And the statute, to be perfectly honest, is pretty damn impossible to prove. The statute says that cohabitation will end maintenance if the parties hold themselves out to be husband and wife. Now, what does that mean? Well, that means you're walking around with a wedding ring. You refer to your boyfriend as your husband. You open a bank account together. Maybe you buy property together. But in all respects, you tell everyone and you hold out to the world, this is my husband. You post on Facebook, oh, look at my wonderful husband. If that happens, then the court can say, okay, there is cohabitation under the statute and maintenance ends. I did some research on this. Since 1986, there's only 2 published decisions where maintenance was cut off. The burden is that high. All right, Yuzu. And in both cases, the spouse getting the maintenance held herself out to be the wife of the person she was living with. I mean, in one case, they even had engagement rings, wedding rings, and were on each other's bank accounts and referring to each other as husband and wife. So this one's a real easy one to avoid. If you want to cohabitate with your boyfriend or girlfriend and you're getting maintenance, just tell everyone it's your boyfriend or girlfriend. Don't wear a wedding ring. Don't tell them it's your spouse. If you have any questions about cohabitating while you're getting maintenance, talk to your lawyer. Hell, give us a call. Remember, at Port and Sava, we give you a free 15-minute telephone conversation. We help you get on with the rest of your life. And now, I got to move on because these birds are killing me.